welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing video. So as you see the title today, I'll be making Dragon Stout ice cream. So all my ice cream lovers, stay tuned. So all we do is using 3 simple ingredients into this ice cream, guys. Very easy to make. So it's less than 10 minutes. You can make this at home. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have my Every Cream here. We're gonna use Every Cream. I have a Dragon Stout. I'm going to use this as well. And I have condensed milk. Guys, it's best for you to put them in the fridge for it to be cold. It's better to use it cold, but you can use it hot, but it's better to use it cold for me. Alright? So you're going to need a bowl, of course. So I have a measuring cup here, just not to really measure anything. So I'm just going to pour my ingredients in. So first you want to use your condensed milk. So I'm just going to open it. And you want to pour everything in. The condensed milk into the container. Guys, this is one of my favorite ice cream. I love this. Comment down below and let me know what's your favorite ice cream to have. So I'm going to use all the condensed milk, alright? So 1 can of condensed milk. So I'm going to pour everything in. So I'm going to use a spatula to get everything out. Yeah, this is very simple. Very simple. We have making ice cream. Basically, if you're making strawberry ice cream, you're still going to use your condensed milk, your Every Cream, and then you have your strawberry and you blend it. It's very, very simple with like majority of the ice cream. They're very easy to make. The vanilla ice cream, all you have to do is just add some vanilla extract to the condensed milk and to your Every Cream. That's all. Alright? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open my Dragon Stout. And guys, this is the same way you make your Guinness ice cream. So you just don't use the Dragon Stout, you use your Guinness and you make it. So we're just going to add some in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to add, and then you taste it to see if that's enough Dragon or Guinness that you use in your ice cream. Give me a minute, guys. And then you're going to mix it around, Guys, you want to mix this everything out, because sometimes you mix it and some of the condensed milk is still settled at the bottom. We don't want that. So you just slowly mix it out like that. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, guys, I know you're watching, please go ahead and subscribe, guys. You just mix it out. And if you want a little more Dragon Stout into it, you go ahead and add that. This is nice and very nice. So you just want to look at the bottom of the measuring cup, or if you're using a clear cup or a container, to see if all the condensed milk is mixed out. So you want to make sure you use a clear container, like a glass or a plastic cup that is clear. Alright? So you can see if all the milk is mixed out. You see this one? It's mixed. All the milk is mixed out properly. So I just want to give this a taste to see if we need to add any more Dragon Stout to it. Just get my little spoon just to taste it. Yes, I need a little more Dragon Stout to do so. I'm going to add it. ice cream. I'm going to taste the Dragon. Alright? In it. Very quick and simple, guys. But this should be fine. So let me just taste that again. Let me get another spoon just to taste it. This tastes good already. But guess what? I'm gonna add just a little more. I like to taste that, you know, stout is tasting right. And I always make this ice cream. Listen, I'll sit and have it all. Alright. So I think this should be fine. So guys, you want to taste it as you go along because you don't want to put too much and you don't want to put a little bit. You want it to be just perfect. Alright? And mix it well. Alright? So let me taste it again. This is my last taste, okay? Let me taste it. Oh, this is delicious already. So I'm just gonna put that aside. I just got a little spill here. So I'm just gonna wipe. So guys, ice cream after you have your dinner, you know, as we as Jamaican we grow up like after your Sunday dinner, you know, like an ice cream after, right? So you can do a little thing and make an ice cream at home for your kids, you know what I mean? Yeah, that would be nice and fun, right? So guys, here I have my heavy cream. I'm just gonna pour it into the bowl. So I just wanna pour everything in, alright? So I'm just gonna use my hand mixer. Just cover that to mix this. And you can also use your hand whisk. You can also use your hand whisk if you don't have the hand mixer. This is fine as well, alright? You maybe just take a little more time, but you do the work. I'm just gonna plug this in. I should have plugged this in, you know, from the beginning, but you know, so again. Sometimes the brain remember the things then, right? So you don't want this on low. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with medium and then we'll gradually add, you know, a little more speed. So guys, you're gonna mix it until it becomes nice and thick and fluffy, alright? So give it a nice texture. Okay guys, so now the whipped cream come to what I wanted, so the nice texture. So now I'm gonna just add my liquid little by little. You don't want to do this too much, little by little, okay? Just a little, and then we mix it. We're just gonna add a liquid, as I said, not all of it all at once. My spatula. Just start a little bit like that. Look how nice and smooth this is. Let me show you guys. Look at this. How lovely this look. Look at that. Beautiful. Guys, I'm gonna taste a little bit again. Ice cream is my thing. I love ice cream, guys. So guess what? Just a little bit. Oh my. Oh, this tastes so good. Me not lie. Me could I eat this like this. This tastes good. We should know when they forget some. This, me could I eat that like that. Yeah. So I have my bread pan here. So I'm gonna use this baking tin to put my ice cream in. So we're gonna freeze this for 6 hours. And then we're ready to voila. So I'm just gonna pour it in. Like that. Ooh. Guys, I'm not lie. Would I eat this like this? Me not lie. I need to try this and make it at home and make my own ice cream. This tastes good. And I ask if when we done with this, I'm gonna scrape everything out of the bowl and eat it because this tastes good bad. Tastes good bad. I love this so much. Guys, when I make this ice cream, it's like a, I want to call it cat race or rat race because everybody wants this. The banana one is good too, you know. I read the comments, guys. Go down and comment down below and let me know which ice cream you want me to do next. So I can use my spatula just to give it a little smooth down like that. This is lovely. Look at that. Look at it, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna get my plastic wrap. Let me just put this aside because I'm gonna have that. Sorry guys, put it aside. So guys, if you don't have this baking tin, you don't have to use it. You can get like a plastic cover plate and make sure it's properly covered so no hair gets into it. Alright, if you have grease paper, you can use a grease paper as well. I have grease paper, but I love to use a plastic wrap, so I'm going to use some plastic wrap. So I'm just going to cut it. You don't want to ear in there, guys. Make sure it's properly sealed. But I said with your plastic plate and you seal it properly. I'm just going to push it down like that on the ice cream because I want it properly sealed, guys, as I said. I have to keep on saying it because it has to be properly sealed, guys. With no hair to get into it. Like that. Make sure it's properly sealed. Sorry, guys. When it comes down to this, I take my time because I want to make sure that the ice cream properly sealed. Because I don't want not to do the ice cream because you know, so me love ice cream and me want to eat ice cream. When it comes to that, I'm a little slow on that, guys, because I want it to be perfect. Guys, I'm so sorry. I haven't been uploading every Sunday at 6 o'clock. Girl, get a little busy and stuff. But no worry, I'm coming back. Alright? Because I got a lot of, message in my DM on Instagram, people asking me, when are you post, Shanna? You said every Sunday. I know Sunday I'm not seeing you. But guys, I love it and I appreciate you all for checking up on me. But I'm fine and yeah, I'll give you back those Sunday videos, okay? Guys, I'm gonna know the video nice. The ice cream I want to see how it make and so. So if you're not subscribed, remember before the video ends, subscribe. Alright guys, so it's properly sealed. I need that when it come out when I seal my ice cream. Who put it in the fridge? I take my time. But yeah, it's have to properly seal. You know what? All of this is goodness ever too. Oh yes, no. Okay guys, so look at that now. Properly sealed. Okay guys, so this is my ice cream after 6 hours. It's time for me to feast. So I'm just gonna take my plastic wrap off. Like that. Look at this. Very nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my scoop. Just scoop some up. Wow, look at that. I'm just gonna place it in my container like that. It's beautiful. It's gonna take a few scoops. Okay guys, I'm gonna have my ice cream. I'm gonna put a little chocolate syrup on my ice cream. Wow, I'm gonna have that now guys. That's yummy. Bye. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.